My favorite part of the internship was taking tours of all the types of departments in the city and learning how they all connect together.
It gives me something to do during the summer instead of being in the house all day, and it's just a very good opportunity to make maybe new connections.
I wanted to apply to this internship program because I wanted to learn about the city and how it works.
I worked in a professional world. I know I've had a job experience before I even applied for any yet.
My experience at Summer City Hall was not what I expected, but I actually really enjoyed it. We had a lot of guest speakers and we got to take a lot of tours. I didn't think it was going to be like that, and I'm actually really grateful that we got to really see that kind of stuff.
My leadership skills have improved by being able to communicate with others more and being better at public speaking.
I'm happy to be here because I am getting work experience, and then I'm learning about the city and how it functions, and that's something I wanted to do when I first moved to Moreno Valley, so I'm actually pretty excited to be here.
Seeing how much is involved within a city, like there's different departments. I didn't know there was one for like fixing lights, and there's some for like animal shelters, and it's very complex.
I'm glad I signed up for summer at City Hall because I made great relationships with my peers and also with the people who run the city.
I recommend the internships so that you can gain work experience, and also like you can learn what you do and do not like about working. Like I learned that I wouldn't want to sit in a desk all day long.
I was surprised like how much work goes into working, just doing one event and then one department, and then this is the whole citywide, so it's just a lot of little parts to make a big picture work.
The program has changed my life because it taught me how to be an active citizen in my local government, and I can now use that as I grow older in my career and participate more in my city.
I'm a senior at Rancho Verde High School, and the Summer at City Hall program has been very rewarding.